Just kidding. Does that count? Okay. Are you happy?
This can be super organic, but we are live. Just letting you know. Okay?
We're great.
Another big win. I feel like every time we play here, it's either super close or just like kind of wide open.
Crazy.
It feels nice probably to come back after Saturday's game and we don't have to dwell about Saturday's game at all. It's over. It's gone. I promise. Never again. But a big 5-0 win against visiting UMaine Farmington here on the quad. Kind of a tune-up before you head down to Boston on Saturday for what's become kind of a really interesting matchup with Wentworth. So talk us a little bit throughout today's game before we get into Saturday's game.
Well, we do have to go back a game because when we played Salve, we played a great first half. We were really just asking the girls to play to their capability. They, without question, showed that in the first half, and then unfortunately we struggled in the second half. Salve came and worked super hard and deserved that win. And so the thing that we've been talking about up to this game is this idea of playing a full 90. So we use this full 90 theme to just stay focused on who we are and what we want to do and putting that effort all the way through. What do you think about that, Katie? I'm holding on to Kara.
Well, we've lost one. We still have two.
Yes, you can't. So, Kara, what do you think about full 90?
Full 90? Yeah, I think we did it. I think we played well.
Yeah, passing the midfield was actually really good today, I thought. I mean, I know you guys generate a lot of offense earlier, and sometimes it's easy once you start connecting those passes and the opportunities come, the other team gets a little deflated and maybe they become even easier. But I thought from the very start it was complete, and there was no letdown in the second half. It was same thing, came out firing, and there was only one goal early, and then kind of did substitutions for both teams. Like, I guess from an outsider's perspective, how do you take that when you do that in a game like this today and transfer it to a game that's going to be super close, like Saturday's game? Wentworth has been kind of at the bottom or near the bottom for the last, 5 or 6 years, and then kind of made that Cinderella run through the tournament last year and has been just really, really good this year, just a really sound team. So how do you take what you can learn from these games, putting all those passes together, putting those goals together, finally getting it in the back of the net, and use that against a team like Wentworth?
I think today was really good too, and just even soccer is such a mental game, as we talk about a lot, and so I know for a lot of players, like the past couple of games have been pretty frustrating, but this kind of game where everybody plays well for 90 minutes, as we said, it's just kind of that feeling and that mental attitude now that we all have of having a passion for the game and having fun and working well with each other, and so I think this was a perfect game for going into any competitor.
We had to prove to ourselves that we could play the way we've been training, and again in the last 2 games we have 3 halves that's really worked out. So I think just the confidence that they're starting to get in each other and what we're trying to do is really important. So, and they can do it. They can do it against anybody. So we look forward to the increased challenge that we're going to get on Saturday.
All right, well, thank you. Good win today.